February 24, 1 o'clock. So this is my tobacco field. So from 27 January, 28 January to May 24, it's not even 30 days and the plant has grown this much. So now the weeds are growing in between. So I've been paying people to come in without the tobacco. So it's it's a lot of work. You pay them daily. You got a budget for that. So this part has been cleaned. This part hasn't been cleaned yet. Really, really tough. Anyway, this is just part of the challenges. You grow tobacco. Along with it, you grow weeds. Can't do too much. Yeah. How to make this? How to weed things better? How to do this better? I'll think about it. So this is the update so far. This is how far the tobacco has grown. So tobacco 3 months later, and then several weeks to dry, and then you sell, and then you see your profit, profit. Well, whatever income that comes back with the output or the inputs. We'll see what the output look like. I'm actually surprised there's a couple of fish in the river. When I was young, there used to be lots of fish going upstream. Now I don't see them. They're all gone, overfish. So these tobaccos are 45 days or more, and 45 days they have to lop off the topmost part of the tobacco. So now the thing will concentrate on making the tobacco leaf larger. So that's why it's done this way. This is a waste. So in 17 days, my tobacco field will be done this way too, lopping off the tough part of the tobacco. So that's how tobacco are grown. Thanks for watching.